Hello friends, I am Dr. Madhukar Jadhav. In previous lecture, we have studied regarding rise and fall method, then comparison between rise-fall method and collimation plane method. Also, we have studied one numerical in detail for finding out the reduced level by rise and fall method. In this lecture, we are going to study the different types of levels which are used in leveling. So, in this we are going to study auto level, lesser level and the digital level. So, these three levels we will study one by one. So, first of all, auto level. An auto level is an optical instrument that can be used to establish or verify points on the same horizontal plane, and it has an internal mechanism that eliminates variation and inaccuracy from the measurements. So whatever this auto level is there, in that there is one part called as tilt compensator. So with the help of the tilt compensator, if there is a smaller error in the line of collimation, that error can be automatically compensated. An auto level is more accurate than the dumpy level because it has not only high tech design but also has an internal compensator that will correct human errors. The problem with an automatic level is that it requires more training to the operator and to operate it, and more adjustment will need to be performed. So this is the auto level and this is the ray diagram of the auto level. So to one side there is an eyepiece and to the other side there is the objective glass, and these are the rays which are passing through this instrument. So here there is a tilt compensator. So it is horizontal in this position, and in second figure it is somewhat slightly tilted to adjust the position of this line of collimation. So by this tilt compensator, if there is a small problem in the leveling of the auto level, that can be compensated. Next slide. Advantages of auto level. Auto level is very easy to use. No adjustment for stop reading is required in auto level, as the actual reading is seen from the eyepiece of the auto level. The bubble can be adjusted from any side and any angle with any 3-foot screws available. The auto level has an internal compensator mechanism which automatically adjusts the line of sight. The measurement accuracy of auto level is higher than the ordinary dumpy level. Auto level results are very reliable, or we can say accurate one. Use of auto level saves time and money, as we can do the speedy work and accurate work with the help of auto level. Now a few disadvantages are also there. First one, vertical angle cannot be measured with auto level. Horizontal angle is measured in the auto level is not that much accurate. Then these are the advantages and disadvantages of auto level. Next one, lesser level. So this is also one of the important and the modern instrument which is used in a leveling process. Lesser level. Lesser levels use a lesser and amplified focused beam of light emitted from a solid state device called as a diode. So from the diode a ray is emitted, and that ray is called as a lesser ray. These light emitting diodes, also known as LED, light emitting diodes, short form of light emitting diodes is LED, are found in many common devices such as digital clocks, remote controls and the television screens. Lesser levels project a beam of light that can be used as a visual check line when a straight and level reference points are needed. So from this auto level, a ray or we can say beam is emitted, and that beam falls on the target over here, and where the beam falls or cuts the target, there we have to take the reading. The size of the beam of light depends upon the size of the diode. In this case, smaller is better. A smaller beam of light is more precise, or we can say a more precise reading can be taken if the beam is a smaller one. With a wider beam of light, the actual point of level can be located anywhere within the width of that beam. Next slide. Digital level. Digital level use electronic image processing to evaluate the spatial bar coded stuff. So in this figure, this is the digital level and this is the bar coded stuff. As we have seen in case of dumpy level, the leveling stuff is there, and on that leveling stuff there is a marking of meters, centimeters and mm, but on this we can say bar coded stuff there is no marking, but the bars are coded over here. This bar coded pattern is converted into elevation and distance values using digital image matching procedure within the instrument. So inside the instrument there is some arrangement. With that arrangement we can match the images. Digital automatic levels are precise instruments used for precise leveling, means where accuracy is important. In such leveling work we have to use the digital level. Operation of digital level is based upon the digital processing of video indications of coded stuff. Digital level measures and save the height and the distances to the stuff at the press of a button. Just we have to press the button, so whatever the data which is there, that can be recorded properly, and it calculates the height and whatever the other data which is we have measured. Then advantages of this digital level: no reading required. Also there is not necessity of field book, because there is a memory in the digital level in which the recording is done or readings are stored. No copying or no writing down and no calculation by the hands or no manual calculations. So this is one of the modern instrument. It is very handy and very accurate, and hence used for leveling where more accuracy is required. Next slide. Then different components of this digital level. The main components of digital level consist of two parts. One part is called as hardware, digital level and leveling stuff. These are the hardwares, and the software part which is inside the digital level. So both digital level and associated stuff are manufactured so that they can be used for both conventional and digital operations. Typically, digital level has the same optical and mechanical components as that of the normal automatic level. However, for the purpose of electronic stuff reading, a beam splitter is incorporated which transfers the barcode image to a detector diode array. The light reflected from the white element only of the barcode is divided into infrared and visible light component by the beam splitter. The visible light passes on to the observer, the infrared to the diode arrays. The required barcode image is converted into an analogous video signals, which is then compared with the stored reference code within the instrument memory. Next slide. Advantages of digital level. Correction for collimation error can be reliably determined and saved using the 4 integrated check and adjust procedures, or it can be entered manually. And due to this collimation error correction, whatever the readings which we have observed or recorded will be the accurated with the collimation error. Next one, minimizes the human error, as there is no necessity of field book, no observations. Directly we can visualize the stuff and the readings are automatically saved, so no errors, fatigue free observations, and we can say no recording is required. Next one, user friendly menus with easy to read digital display of the results. Earth curvature correction. The measurement made are automatically free from the influence of earth curvature, means there is not necessity to apply the earth curvature correction manually. Measurement of consistent precision and reliability due to the automation. Automatic data storage eliminates the booking and its associated errors. We can operate in low light condition also. This digital level can be used even in low light condition also. Fast economic survey resulting in saving in time. Then data on the storage medium of the level can be downloaded to a computer, and then whatever the different processes which are required can be done with the help of computer. So this is all about the different types of levels. Thank you.